2 free ways to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the 2 ways on how we can transfer the contacts from Android to iPhone. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there are certain methods you need to follow in order to do that. So let's begin. The method 1 is using a Google account sync. In order to do that, you just need to ensure your Android contacts are synced with your official Google account. After that, on your iPhone, you just need to go to settings. After that, your name and your iCloud contacts and toggle off the contacts. On step 3, you just need to add contact and select Google to add your Google account to your iPhone. After that, on step 4, you need to enable contact syncing for your Google account. And on step 5, your Android contacts will start syncing with your iPhone's contacts app. So that is one of the method on how you can transfer your contact from Android to iPhone. Another method we have, which is free, is just using the Google Drive. In order to do that, you may export your Android contacts as VCF file using the Contacts app on your Android device. After that, upload the VCF file to Google Drive. On your iPhone, download the VCF file for the Google Drive. Once the contact apps on your iPhone, and import the VCF file. After that, the contacts will be added to your iPhone's contact app, just like that. So these are the 2 free ways to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So you just need to follow the steps and you should be able to transfer it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.